This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. First, ensure your oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, gather all your ingredients, including 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. You'll also need 2 types of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 1/4 cups of flour. Finally, have your baking soda, salt, and 2 cups of chocolate chips ready to go. Now, let's get to mixing that perfect dough. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together the softened butter, creamy peanut butter, granulated sugar, and light brown sugar. Beat this mixture until it's wonderfully light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, incorporate the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition to ensure everything is thoroughly combined for a smooth batter. With your dough ready, it's time to add the star ingredient, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Gently fold them in until they are evenly distributed throughout the rich peanut butter dough. Next, take rounded tablespoons of dough and drop them onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake these delightful treats in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until their edges turn a beautiful light golden brown. To ensure your cookies are absolutely perfect, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overmixing the dough once you've added the flour. This keeps your cookies wonderfully tender. For an even richer flavor, consider using a blend of milk chocolate and dark chocolate chips. Always use room temperature butter and eggs for a smoother, more consistent dough. Once baked and cooled, store your delicious creations in an airtight container for up to 5 days of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.